and a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. To you. Come on. Bye-bye. Bye.
Hey, you, I know I'm in the wrong. Time flies when you're having fun. You wake up, another year is gone. You're 21. I guess you wanna know why I'm on the phone. It's been a day or so. I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, oh. I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah, oh. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. So hard when you're far away. It's lame, but I forgot the date. I won't make the same mistake. I'm so to blame. So now you know. Don't hang up the phone.
Wish ko sana maging maayos yung buhay mo, ingatan mo yung sarili mo, and more blessings to come and birthdays to come. Salamat sa mga tinulong mo sa amin. Nandyan ka lagi para sa amin. Thanks. Yun.
Happy 21st birthday, Jimbel. Wish you all the best. Yun na, happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Jimbel. Happy birthday, ah. Sana di ka magbago, lalo na sa amin. Tsaka kay Dennis. Sige, happy birthday.
Ilan taon ka na? Happy birthday pala.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jimbel.
Happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, oh. I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah, oh. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday.
Hello, Ate Jimbel. Happy birthday.
Daddy, Ben, happy birthday. Hi, Ben. Happy birthday. Thank you for being so nice to me. Thank you dun sa surprise mo nung birthday ko. Sana maging masaya yung celebration ng birthday mo, tsaka yung araw na yun para sa'yo. And God bless sa'yo and ingat ka palagi. Kapag kailangan mo ng friend, nandito lang ako. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po pala, Ate Jimbel. More birthdays to come and ingat lagi. Basta, mahalin mo lang si Dennis. Mahal na mahal ka naman yan eh. Sige, happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Ate Bel. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, sana more blessings pa. Saka, alam ko naman nasa iyo na lahat. Swerte sa love life. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday ulit. Love you. Bel, ay, happy birthday. 18 ba or 21? Good luck sa exam mo sa board exam. Makakapasa ka niya for sure. And thank you very much sa lahat na naitulong mo sa akin. Sa lahat ng payo, sa lahat. Yun. Na-appreciate ko talaga. Sana, may tagal pa yung friendship natin kahit nasa kawit ka, nandito ako sa Dasma, di ba? Yun, hindi naman. So, happy birthday.
I don't care. make it up to you. If I could, I'd be there. Yeah, yeah, whoa.
Jimbel, your birthday. Sana pagdating ng birthday mo, ganyan ka pa rin. Happy birthday ka na.
Hi, Jinbel. Happy birthday.
Hello po, Ate Jimbel. Happy birthday po. More blessings to come. Gusto mo? Lucky me. Bye-bye.
Payatot, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, magkaroon ka ng maraming birthday pa sa buhay mo. At saka, yung love life mo, saka, sana, yun na yun, natagpuan mo na sana yung tunay mong love life. Huwag ka muna mag-aasawa. Sana tulungan mo muna yung mga magulang mo, sa mga kapatid mo. Wish ko sa'yo sana pumasa ka sa board exam pag kumuha ka na ng board exam. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday.
Well, happy birthday. Alam ko malakas naman ang loob mo. Matapang ka. Kayang-kaya mo yung abutin ang pangarap mo. Naging boyfriend mo nga si Dennis eh. Tapang mo talaga. Sana magpakabait ka. Huwag mo kalilimutan yung mga karanasan ng parents mo. Sana maging inspirasyon mo sila. Yung ate mo. Basta pag nagsikap ka lang, tiyak na matutupad yung pangarap mo. Pero huwag mo kalilimutan yung mga nagmamahal sa iyo at yung mga sumusuporta sa iyo. Happy birthday ulit and God bless.
Jimbel, mabait yan. Mabait. Basta mabait. Mabait yan. Happy birthday nga pala. 21 ka na. Magkasing edad lang po tayo. Basta, stay pretty and humble. I hope all your dreams and your wishes come true. Thanks po sa lahat. Happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Happy birthday.